Microsoft has just announced the Surface Duo, a foldable smartphone / tablet that has a very practical real-life design along with durability. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, this is the Surface Duo that Microsoft has announced this morning. It's two 5.6 inches of displays to make up a full 8.3 inch tablet. It's much bigger than Galaxy Fold, and you can also fold it all the way 360 degrees to use the inner two screens as the outer screens. And by doing that, you'll be able to use it as a smartphone without actually unfolding the device. You can have it unfolded. Now for long-term travel, you can go ahead and fold it all the way to protect the screens. I think this is a much better idea than Galaxy Fold. Alright, now one thing that Microsoft has going for them is that Microsoft has been building foldable display laptops and tablets for like last 4 or 5 years with the Surface Pro, Surface Book. I actually own a Surface Book 2 laptop, which I really love. The hinges are perfect, the way it folds. Microsoft has pretty much perfected this technology. Now, Microsoft is not building something new. They're only making their existing tablet laptop setups smaller. Alright, while Samsung has built the Galaxy Fold with new technology that still has problems with the display. It can get easily scratched, you can break it, the pixels can get broken. The Galaxy Fold is still really a prototype they're selling you at much higher cost. Now, this is a proven technology that Microsoft has simply miniaturized. And I think this will be way more durable. You're not gonna have some display problems as with Galaxy Fold. And as I told you in my last video, I told you guys Samsung should make something like this with two separate displays. Alright, the technology is simply not there yet. To make it durable, make it be able to work in real life and take a lot of abuse, you can't make a device that's so damn fragile. So I really like this idea. You don't need an extra useless 4.6 inch screen that you won't use anyways like the Galaxy Fold. You can go ahead and use the full 5.6 inch screen. And if you wanted to use it as a smartphone all day, you can use the full 5.6 inch screen. And when you want to use it as a tablet, simply unfold. I'm really impressed. Now, Microsoft has also added a keyboard that you can use, all right? And along with that, you can use 1/3 of the display for something else, maybe watching another video, multitasking, and you will have the option to actually use a physical keyboard also. This is gonna make it very productive, a productivity device. Very good. Now, the Surface Duo not only will run Android, it will also be able to run Windows 10. It's a full productivity device. The reason why I got the Surface Book 2 is because I need to run stuff like my DaVinci Resolve for video editing, my Photoshop. None of these apps will run on Android. They do have alternative apps, but they're nothing close to the desktop versions. Now, if Microsoft can make this dual boot with Windows 10, I'm gonna be able to use all those apps right on my tablet. How cool is that? And compared to Samsung DeX is not a full-fledged computer either. I can't run Photoshop, I can't run Adobe Premiere, I can't run DaVinci Resolve. So the Surface Duo gives you a ton more value. It's basically giving you a smartphone, a tablet, and also power of the full desktop PC, all in a 5.6 inch device. This, I think, is very amazing. Microsoft didn't use new tech to make this. They simply miniaturized their existing technology. And I think this is very smart, very practical, especially good for people who want productivity. All right, Galaxy Fold is really intended for gamers who want to really enjoy that full continuous screen for gaming. But even then with gaming, with the Galaxy Fold, your viewing angle is limited by one angle. With the Surface Duo, you're going to be able to use the bottom screen as a controller. You're going to be able to change the angle, have custom angles, so your viewing angles will be perfect for gaming. So a lot of things going for Surface Duo. Of course, there's no price on it. This is not a final product. There's no confirmation they're gonna actually make this. I mean, it seems like they're going to, but I really feel like this is gonna be a hit item. I think Microsoft will sell 10 times, maybe 100 times more of these than the Galaxy Fold. And another thing, the way it hinges, you can use it as a tablet stand. You can use it to watch videos on both sides. For example, my daughter's eating dinner on this side of the table, I'm eating dinner over here, and I can go ahead and share my video with my daughter, or maybe watch a different video individually. Or if you want to do video chatting, you can use that as a stand and do video chat. Another good thing, like Mi Mix Alpha, you're gonna be able to use one side of the camera, put 3 cameras, and you're gonna be able to use it for rear cameras or selfie because it has a display on both sides. So what Microsoft has just announced, this concept is better than Mi Mix Alpha, Samsung Galaxy Fold. This is a practical design for what kind of technology we have right now. And I believe the price point for this will be around $1,000 because they're not putting in new tech. They're simply miniaturizing whatever tech they have. They have larger devices, the Surface Pro, which actually goes for way less than it's around like $500-600. Now it's smaller. They're gonna be able to sell this for like almost nothing, yo. I'm thinking this could be even around $500 to $600 range. So very exciting. Now, if Microsoft can put some nice cameras like the Galaxy Note 10 series or like the Google Pixel series, that's gonna really put the nail in the coffin. And I think this is the way to go for right now. Now, a lot of people may not like the separation of the displays, but the Galaxy Fold isn't really designed to view videos with the full screen. You can't even do that because of the aspect ratio. It's a square ratio. So it's actually been designed so you watch videos on each of the folds. All right, which makes the Galaxy Fold design sort of pointless unless you're playing games. Again, a lot more things to like about the Surface Duo, in my opinion. And also, I believe the price point is going to be much cheaper, fractions of a Galaxy Fold. And best of all, this is going to be actually useful in my life. I won't have to worry about dropping it. I won't have to worry about the display being very weak. This is practical, and I hope Microsoft keeps making more Android phones. And this will be one of their major Android phones they're gonna start. So I'm really excited. Do tell me what you guys think of the Surface Duo. Leave your thoughts in the comment box. Hit the thumbs up for me, share this video, and as always, stay on Surface Duo. Yeah.
Click here to subscribe.